Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cube game. So here's my example. So you have to jump through the obstacles and just get through the whole thing. Yeah, so on. You can die if you fall down, and yeah. So let's start. Okay, so now we're going to code it. So I made all the things. You need to do the idle stance, which is you're gonna do the whole cube thing. Gonna draw some eyes, maybe a face, to make it look like it's staring right at you. Then down. You're gonna make it look like it's looking down. And then for the first one, you're gonna name it idle. Second one down, and then draw the face. Left. You're gonna make it look like it's looking left. Then name it left. Right, you're gonna make it look like it's looking right, then name it right. Up, gonna make it look like it's looking up, then name it up. For the ground, you need to press this resize button right here, and then do the width 400, height 50. If it doesn't let you do it, it makes it do the same. It's because you have to. It's because of this right here. It's gonna have both of those checked in. So now it will make it look. Wait, it'll make. Wait. It'll make it have to be the same thing. So it's like really confusing. But just take that off, and then just do 400 here, and then 50 at the bottom, and then press resize. And I'll resize it, and then color it all in whatever ground you want, ground color you want. Okay, and then you go back here. Okay, so we're going on to the code now. So make a comment named player, and then do that. Player, take that, and then you have to get the set animation, and then do that, and then set your animation idle. Okay, and then player scale, you have to scale it. So take that out. Do that, and then do 0.5. Okay, that'll make it like, wait, go to world, get the function draw, then do draw sprites, and that'll make it look like this. But oh wait, I have to do 350 down here, and then that'll make it look like this. That's perfect, actually. Now you want to do something like this, you have to get another comment button right here and do ground. Okay, then you have to get to create sprites, two sprite animations, and one depth right here. So here you're gonna do ground, and then sprite animation, ground, and then do the depth -1. Okay, now over here you're gonna do ground 2, and then set the animation ground. Now you have to make it at a different place, so this would be 50, 360, and the next one would be 450, 320. Oh yeah, we're gonna add more grounds as we go, but for now I want to do this and show you how to make grounds later. So let's do, you do all that, 50, 360, 450, and it should do that. Yeah, that's actually perfect. Now you want to go down here, and then do a comment and then go to variables, var x equals space, and then do var score 0, and then up here do score. You can add the comments if you want to be organized so you know where everything is. Don't mind this little thing. It's gonna go away later when we add more of the score function. Now do another comment, end function draw, named player collision. Okay, now this is where we'll make the player and the ground collide, so the player doesn't go through the ground. So go down and do sprite.collide target. Get 2 of those since we only have 2 grounds right now. Do that, and then do and then do player. Okay, now it should be up there. That's perfect. Actually, you also have to do the velocity of the player so it can actually have gravity. So velocity y for the player up here, and the collision zone, do that, and then the collision should be 5. Okay, now let's go down. Do the background white, and then do a comment named moving. This is where we'll make the player move. So we need a bunch of ifs. 2 ifs for this one actually. So do 2 ifs right now. Okay, and then go to world and key down. So now do key down right. Right, and key down left. Now this will make the player move. Now do player set animation. This is why we did that. Do it. Do the animation for right, do animation right, and for left, do animation left. And then you need to go over to variables and do x equals space for both of these, and do player. Go to sprites and do dot x. You don't even need these actually. Take the sprite.x and it'll do that when you put it in there. And then you just want to go into the map and get the subtraction for left and addition for right. And then you want to go to sprite x. And then you want to do +5 and some -5 for both of those, and that will make it like this. What? Oh, I didn't add this. Now we can do that. Now we have to make, and it does this. It does the faces. It turns right when we go, left when we go left, and right when we go right. See. Okay, now we have to go back to idle. This will mean like when we go back, it'll turn back to idle when we're not pressing anything. Because right now it just stays out whatever it went to. So go to comments, and after this, go back to idle. Now that'll do. We have to do if. We have to do 2 ifs. And then he went up. And then do right and left. and then do the just set animation back to idle for both of them. Now if you do this, it'll go back to idle when you let go. Boom. Okay, now we're gonna do another comment. Down here, going down cube stamps. Okay, and then you need 3 ifs for this one. And then we're gonna need 1 key went up right here, and then key downs for the other ones. And then we're gonna do key went up, yeah, and key went down, right, key went down, left, and then just add that again. We do basically just this again, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna do this. And now we have that for right. And then it'll just be the exact same thing as you did up here. Then the key went up, we'll just be setting the animation to the player animation. Oh, let's just take all that out. Oops. Okay, wait. Put that back in. The player animation to down. Now something happened, you need to reload because it won't load in the stuff. There, now it is. Now that'll just set it back to a it'll set it to a down when you're going down. And yeah. So that's it for that part. And now we're gonna go into another score. So you go on here, get a comment, and score again. Okay, now we're gonna go to drawing. To fill, and then text size, text size 20, and then do the text. Okay, let's do, okay, score. Score equals plus. Score equals plus score. And then 290 and then 25. So that's to make a score up here. And that's perfect. Now we need to add another score. So we have to do score equals, so do score, and then score equals score plus, so you need the plus, and then over here you need score, and then math.round, so that's here, math.round, then world frame rate, world frame rate divided by 6. Wait. And then that will be good. Now you can see, wait. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's not 60, it's 60. Now, that, I'm pretty sure, will appear later, but right now it is not going up. Okay. Now, let's do more. Okay, so we have to do another 2 ifs. So if, and then if inside that if. And then we're gonna do key went down right there, and then we're gonna do one of these here with the subtractant sentence here. And that'll do. Round that, no, underline 2. We have to do minus that y. Actually, minus player.y dot y equals 110. Now that should be for up there, and then down here you need to set animation for player. You need up, and then the velocity minus -50. Velocity y -50, and then that would be the. Now see, we jump, and then when we're jumping you can see it goes up when we're jumping and then down when we're going down, and then it goes back, and yeah, so we have that. Now we have to make the ground move. Actually, no, we need to make gravity actually, because right now it's not actually great gravity. So we need to go to function, down here, gravity, and then go to variables, var x equals space, and do grav equals 0.50. Now we have that, right? Then we need to go to x equals space and do player dot velocity y equals player dot velocity y plus ground. Now you have all that, right? Then we have to do another function named ground move, okay? This is where all the grounds move, and this is actually the last function. Ground underscore move, okay? That's what I do, because you can't add spaces when you're doing stuff. So you have to actually go to if, and just get an if for both of these, and do if ground dot x equals 0, and then do the same thing if ground 2 dot x is 0. Then you need to do the ground dot x over here. And you have to do width 2. Then you have to do okay, and now that happens, okay? For some reason it's not moving. Now that is probably because okay, I see what we did wrong. We have to add the ground velocity x. Okay, so ground velocity x right here. We need to add that, or else it won't actually work properly. So let's do that. And then we need that to be -5 for both of these. Now, if you go, they're still not moving, right? Now, why is it not moving? So, I'm pretty sure it's not moving because we didn't do something up here. So we did velocity, right? Okay. Wait, so down here we did ground dot x over 0. We did ground dot velocity x -5. We did ground dot width. Okay, I think I see. So I didn't know we actually had to add this because I added it in my last one, but I just decided I don't need to this time. Okay, wait. Okay, so that's what I did. Yeah, do we actually have to add that? No. So it actually might not be working because up here we don't have the gravity and we don't have it defined. See? So I remember before I said that we didn't come to that part yet and we'd asked it after. So up here after the ground sprite, you need to add a function, this one. Add 2 of those and name it gravity and ground move. See, now it should be moving. See, it's moving. And that's perfect, okay? So, now I need to tell you how to add more ground. So you have to go to var, take in another sprite, and then name it ground 3. Then you have to do, you can choose. Okay, so the first part is like how far it is into the world. So normally you should do like 460. You should add 460. That'll make a nice gap. So that'd be 910. You have to add it from the first part, and then you can do this one. Like this is like how far down it is. So like from here, it can go more down. Like here would be a big number, and then here would be like a low number. So I'm gonna do a high number, like a low number. Maybe you would want to 20 less would be nice, so that's 300. Okay, now you see you can't find it because I didn't set the animation. Let's do ground 3. Set animation ground. Now it's not showing. So I'm guessing it's not showing because maybe let's do 280 here actually, and maybe 540. Now it should be showing up. It's right there, but it has to make the ground move. The ground actually has to move. So we have to go down here. Oh yeah, we have to make the player and the ground collide. Go down here and do collide. Okay, so about how you can add sprites. I just normally like test out if it looks good after I add one, and then just keep on going, like see, oh this looks good, okay, and then I add it. So that's how you can do that. You have to make the ground and the player collide. So let's do that. Do 3 for the ground, and then we need to make the ground move. So what I would do is copy from ground _2.velocity x equals -5 to this little part right here, and then copy that, enter, and then Control V and paste it, and then just change, you know, the velocity, and then just change it into _3 for everything. And then there you have it. That is how you make a cube jump game. Bye.